Yeah, I'm on, but I don't got no.
Oh,
Hey,
well, welcome back, y'all.
Welcome back, Lily on the Valley Community Garden.
Got my umbrella on.
What we're doing here, we're clearing around the plants, so when I get out here and cut the grass, I'll be able to see these pigeon peas plants. Anyway, it's been raining, but about an hour. But as I go a little deep, you won't see there's so much sand out here. The rain just falls right directly through the sand. So most likely I'll have to get some mulch and put around these plants so the plants can hold water, the sand. I'll do that one day. Anyway, gotta get to it.
All right, well, he's getting to it. I got my umbrella, y'all. I got my umbrella. It's so nice and cool out here. It feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness, that rain has really cooled things off down here. Yeah, so we're out here on the property and that's what he's doing. He's hoeing around these here. So when he get ready to cut, you know, it'll be easy to spot but everything. But I'm so glad we got this rain. We really needed this rain. This is a sandy soil, so it takes a lot of rain, but we really did need this rain. So anyway, it's so nice out here now. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. Oh yeah, we got some stakes we're gonna put up on some of these plants to help them stand up a little bit better. But I'm gonna turn you around. See what he's doing. Getting some of these weeds from around these plants. But yeah. So that's one of the pigeon peas plant. It's holding up. Y'all have to, I might be shaking because I feel like bugs on me or something. Yeah, it's holding up. They say gonna bring some fertilizer down here.
I'm a farmer. Doing farm work today.
Yeah, he's doing farm work today. So yeah, as you can see, even though we got rain for about an hour, that sand it's a little moist, but it's still, yeah. So that's my palm tree I pruned about 2 weeks ago. It's coming along pretty good, the palm tree. That's massive, so we're gonna check the battery in him before we go. Okay, so this Willie, he is still plowing around here, getting some of these weeds. But as you can see, take it around to see some of the pigeon peas plants. That's doing really well. I got some bamboo stakes we're gonna put up on some of them that need help standing up. I ordered online. So yeah, there's one here and he's gonna need some help standing up. Yeah, leaning a little bit, he's gonna need some help. Yeah, so it's a lot of grass got to be cut. I got a lot of cactuses out here. See these cactuses? But they pretty though. It's cactus plant. Got to watch out for them thorns don't get you. You don't want to get step on them thorns, no. Got a lot of cactuses out here, like the desert almost. There's another one there. Got a lot of weeds. We got one down here. Willie got to fix him. He might come, but he's still living though. It's on the ground, but it's still living. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for snakes too. This one's doing good. I think that's one. Yeah, doing good. He's leaning up back there. Lot of rain. Got my boots on, still got my boots on. Yep, all right. So that's the latest update. We are doing that, getting that done. Just about stopped raining, the clouds moved out pretty good. Yeah, moved out pretty good. All those ones down there, they doing good. Yeah, now I can see planted down here. Yeah, they all doing good. Yep, they ain't doing good. All right, well, I'm turning you back here. Well, all right, family, that's the latest update. So, the weather is nice, a little windy, so I'm gonna get ready to shut y'all down, and that's what we're doing at the moment right there. So, all right, family, I got the bamboo sticks here. It done stopped raining pretty good. So I'm gonna help Willie, and I'm gonna put some of these bamboo sticks out to next to some of these plants where I think they might need a little support here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Like this one might need a little support. I'm gonna stick one over here. He can move it where he wants to, but I'm just gonna stick it. I'm just gonna stick it right here. He can move it where he wanna move it. That one, and then I got 20 bamboo sticks. I ordered, came 20 in a pack. I'm gonna stick that and stick it here. He can move it where he wanna move it. He can move it where he wanna move it. This one needs some support right here. Let me stick this one here. This one needs some support. I'm gonna stick that right here. Okay, let's keep walking. Yeah, see my boots? My boots might keep walking. I have sandy spurs all on me. That's why I'm glad I got my boots on. Usually I have my sneakers on, but with the grass so high out here, I got my boots on because I don't want to run into no snake. Let me see, I'll put one here. See all that rain we got, y'all? Look at that sand. It's still dry. Been raining about an hour. Is this? Oh, that's a weed. Oh, I thought that was one of the plants, y'all. This some kind of weed. I thought it was one of the plants. Oh yeah, look how dry that soil's still dry. Yeah, this one need a stick. I'm gonna put a stick right here. Oh, put a stick. Oh, right there. Okay, let me put one over here. I think this needs one. A rabbit where? I sure don't see him. He over there? Let me see if I can get him. I might be having rabbit stew, y'all. Let me see. I don't see him. Do y'all see him? I don't see him. Oh, right there. There you go, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see him. Yeah. He's right there. I don't know if I got him in the camera or not. But maybe y'all can see him. He's right over there. Here come Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail, hippity hop. Hopping along his way, he's right there. He's so cute. There's Willie getting off the tractor. They still working at it. That's my brother, my oldest brother, and he's the oldest. You see, I can say that because I'm still a baby. I'm still a baby. Yeah, Say, hey, Larry.
Hey, y'all.
That's my brother Larry, y'all. That's my, hey, Willie. Hey. Yeah, he wanted to come down and see the property, so we brought him down.
Here
And here he is, so we glad to have him. Yeah. Glad to have him.
Oh, you gotta be tighten that here.
Yeah, 'cause it fired right up on that new battery.
It should fire on this one.
It should.
We're gonna tighten this one. It's blocking out the frame, though.
You got it?
You got it? You sure?
I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
I'm just small, but that's all.
I'm gonna put it on the tractor.
Well, Larry say he's just small, that's all. Yeah, he is small, y'all. I wish I was that skinny.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I'd be happy.
I'm gonna put it on the tractor bag.
All right, well, we're going to take the battery out and,
Yeah, because they ain't gonna crank.
oh, it ain't going to crank, yeah.
And for now, I just uncharge it.
Unplug it.
Plug it.
All right, y'all. Well, we're going to take the old battery home, and when we come back next week, we'll stop by. And 5-year-old myself should be ready to go next week, though. Well, y'all, we're going to take the battery on back to the house and put it on the charger. We'll bring it down next week with us when we come back. And hopefully next week, old Master be firing up, y'all. Hopefully he'll be firing up next week, because I want to hear that Master. Because I want to drive it now, y'all. I want to drive it. I'm still nervous, but I want to drive it. And I'm sweating down, y'all. I am sweating down. It's so humid out here. But anyway, we're going to call it for today, family. Just a short field trip out here on the property. And we're going to call it a day. I'm going to turn around, see if I can get my husband and brother in here. I don't even know, because I can't see this way in, but I believe we all in here.
Come on, Willie.
Get on in. But we're going to wrap this up.
All right.
We're going to wrap it up, family. And if you like more content, more videos, just join us. And don't forget, y'all, don't forget, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.